Hey people, here's that BILOCK that I picked to disassemble. First you must remove the set screw from under the shackle, and then that reveals this hole right here, which you then must bump out this stainless steel pin, which rides in this groove right there in the back of the plug. And then when it's in the locked position, the core will drop out of the bore. And last but not least, here's the security way for it. So, there's the plug. Sidebars intact. The plug retaining pin. A set screw hole. Body of the lock. And that's pretty much it. Hope that helps anyone who may in the future have to take one of these things apart, because it was a bit of a headache for me. Peace. Don't break the law. Have fun.